Hi, how are things? Santa Marta is a very beautiful city with many tourist places, beautiful beaches, rivers, and many natural beauties. For that adds banana. Fishing, among other activities, are produced. It has many parks and places to do sport. Santa Marta 8 years ago was a little more insecure. It didn't have the sport park it has now. Nature was a little more perfect, surrounded with many tourists and very beautiful. 7 years ago, I was in places like the beach of the Rodadero and Taganga, the ride of Bonda, sharing with family and enjoy food, lions cut, and lots of nature. I went to shopping malls to buy clothes, among others. 9 years ago, dance activities were held, for example, the carnival, the Sea Festival, and many folkloric and cultural performances there are celebrated here in my city. Thank you very much.